don't know when I'm gonna get connected. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here at the French Quarter Fest. You know, enjoying myself, looking at a lot of good people out here. Everybody out here having fun. You know, so some people from out of town, some people from here. All right, how y'all doing? All right, just look at the love. You know, all right. Hey, you know, I had a bad connection though, y'all. I want to say I was trying to do the performance though, but when I get to a certain place, I'm having a bad connection, you know, a serious bad connection, you know. I mean, well, at least I brought my camera out so y'all can watch the performance, you know. So I'm gonna show y'all the performance on YouTube, okay? All right, so if you already watching this video on YouTube, you already know what's happening. But I had a bad connection, okay? So I apologize to you viewers out there for the bad connection. How y'all doing? I'm just doing the show. In case you're wondering.
I was wondering, that's why I was checking out.
Oh, you do y'all want to be on the show? Huh? Okay. All right. Oh, all right. So I ain't gonna put y'all on, cause my auntie telling me be careful what I'm doing. You know. All right. So anyway, y'all. Back to what I was talking about though. Okay. Do y'all want to look at the river if the connection is real good? All right. Everybody's going around. People are boarding ferries probably. You know. This must be the exit. Look at the river, y'all. Ain't it beautiful, y'all? I know y'all enjoying yourselves watching this, you know. But I'm super duper glad y'all I'm super duper glad y'all done watch the video and stuff, watch the performance, you know. So I'm upload that very soon, okay? So. Everybody enjoying themselves. How y'all doing? Welcome to New Orleans. All right. Yeah. Yep. That's a beautiful river out here, y'all. Oh, how y'all doing? Welcome to New Orleans. Y'all on the show? All right. All right. All righty. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of hip people out here, ladies and gentlemen. You know. So yeah, everybody having a great time. How y'all doing? Hey, all right. So showing the people the river, showing the people the river, you know, and stuff like that. I do need to be careful what the heck I'm doing, y'all. You know, cause y'all know. All right, so y'all, if y'all like, what's up, you know. I'm gonna go on YouTube live and watch and stuff like that, you know. So, anybody else that's watching this, you should be out here, you know. Y'all definitely should be out here, you know. All right. So, it must be. Hey, how you doing? Oh, you're selling beer, huh? Oh, I don't drink beer. All right. In case you're wondering, I'm doing the show. Facebook Live. It'll eventually be on YouTube. So when I finish, I'll show you my YouTube channel. So I gotta finish vlogging, you know. All right, y'all. Look at the love. Where's the love? Where's the love? So the love is here, you know. Yep. So right beside the Riverwalk and stuff like that, you know. Oh, my friend Ronique is watching. Hey, Ronique, what's up? Ro is watching. I don't know if she'll ever want to be on the show, but I doubt that. Make sure Shamika watching, please. Well, she's on my Facebook friend list anyway. She'll probably watch eventually. Yeah. Yes, indeed, you know. Well, even if she is out here, ladies and gentlemen, you know, she'll probably, I don't know if she'll want to be on the show or not, but I doubt it, you know. I was supposed to interview Megan today, but I had to reschedule because I had an assignment, you know. This is my assignment, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So as far as that, y'all, so somebody looking at me like I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you viewers, you know. Okay? So, yeah, eventually on YouTube. All right. So, all right, I'm about to stop this live stream, and I'll be back. Check me out on YouTube Live. If y'all watching on YouTube, then y'all already know. Already know. All right, peace out.